Life is full of repeating patterns, like an elevator going up and down. In programming, if you're going to repeat a pattern, it's good practice to put that pattern into a function. If you want to repeat that function multiple times in a row, you'd use a loop. A loop is a sequence of instructions that is constantly repeated until a certain condition is reached. The code inside a loop only needs to be written once, but can repeat many times. Two of the most common types of loops are the while loop and the for loop. A while loop is the simplest form of a programming loop. It states that while the result of the condition is true, keep looping. A for loop is useful for repeating a specific block of code a known number of times, or repeating a block of code for every item in an array. Programmers use loops to cycle through values, add sums of numbers, repeat functions, and many other things. Let's use a loop to make our elevator move. Start by hacking the magic platform. First, we add the function. Next is the while loop. Time to make it move. The middle number is the number of spaces it will go up. Let's make it pause for 3 seconds at the top. Now let's make it move back down to the bottom. We'll pause it at the bottom for 3 seconds too. Always make sure to close your loop with end commands. Let's see the results. Check out these other loops. Setting a trap using floor spikes. Creating a countdown. Making an emoji spawn over an entire area. These are just a few examples of how to use loops, but there are many, many more. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.